What I loved about the SAMRi program was that we started simple. We took something that we used to use with paper and pencil in class and we substituted one simple way to use technology. The first year of the program, I took the course with a coworker. We both were easily able to incorporate technology into our classrooms because we were doing it in small steps. Another piece of the SAMRi program that I really enjoyed was the instructors would show you multiple apps or programs that they were modeling, and then you would be given playtime to use them and ask questions about them. And then you choose which program was the best for your curriculum and your students, and that's what you would use in the classroom. So you weren't forced to use anything, you would do which is the right fit. My favorite part of the SAMRi program was after we learned about the Google My Maps. My students previously would make a trading card about one major volcanic eruption, but when I learned about how Google Forms and Google My Maps can interact, I had the students research their volcano just like before on the internet, but then they would complete their research on the form, and then I could merge it into Google My Maps and they would have exposure to all of the data and all of the volcanoes. And so once we plotted them and color coded each one, because orange was composite and brown was cinder cone and green was shield volcanoes, the students and I had such an in-depth conversation and discussion, so much farther than we'd had in my previous years of teaching or science. When we actually went on a field trip a few weeks later, the students were so proud of themselves because the presenter had just found a website that showed all of these different volcanoes in the 20th century. And the kids go, "We've already done this. We made this using Google My Maps." They were very proud of themselves because what he had done using a program, they had already done themselves using Google My Maps. So that whole experience kind of solidified the SAMRi program for myself and my students.